Welcome to English Teaching Friends. Today, we're going to practice 50 future tense sentences. This will help you improve your fluency, your confidence, and your natural speaking rhythm. As you listen, try to repeat after me. If you want, pause the audio and practice slowly. Let's begin our future tense journey. I will call you later. She will finish the work tomorrow. They will help us with the project. I will send you the email soon. He will buy a new phone next week. The weather will be sunny tomorrow. I will study harder from now on. You will love this movie. We will travel to Japan someday. I will meet you at the station. Take a moment and breathe. Future tense is simple, but it becomes natural only with practice. Now, let's continue. I am going to start a new course next month. She is going to cook dinner tonight. They are going to move to a new apartment. He is going to fix his car this afternoon. We are going to visit our grandparents. I am going to learn how to swim this year. She is going to save money for a trip. They are going to open a new shop downtown. I am going to clean my room today. He is going to buy a gift for his friend. Excellent! These sentences show your plans and intentions. Now, let's practice future arrangements. Repeat after me and feel the natural tone. I am meeting my friend tomorrow. She is leaving for Dhaka in the morning. They are having a party next Friday. We are starting the class at 10. He is coming home next weekend. I am taking an exam next Monday. She is joining a new company next month. They are flying to Canada next year. We are visiting the museum this afternoon. I am having lunch with my parents today. Great job! Let's keep going. Now we will practice longer actions in the future. These sentences help you sound more fluent and advanced. I will be waiting for you at the entrance. She will be working late tonight. They will be traveling during the holidays. He will be studying when you call him. We will be celebrating our anniversary soon. I will be staying at my cousin's house. She will be teaching English next semester. They will be preparing for the exam next week. He will be driving to the airport in the morning. We will be watching the game tonight. You are doing great. Keep your voice relaxed and natural as you repeat. The future tense becomes easier every time you say it. Let's finish with some daily future expressions that people use in real conversation. I will talk to you tomorrow morning. She will let you know the result soon. They will start the meeting shortly. He will text you when he arrives. We will finish this lesson together. I am going to practice English every day. She is going to buy groceries later. They are going to watch a new series tonight. He will be ready in 5 minutes. We will see each other again in the next class. Now let's extend the practice even more with additional future tense sentences. These sentences will help stretch your video length while giving learners more examples to repeat. I will try my best to improve my English. She will call you back after the meeting. They will arrive at the airport on time. I am going to make some tea in a moment. He is going to start exercising next week. We are meeting the new manager tomorrow. She is traveling to India next summer. They are visiting relatives this weekend. I will be working from home next month. We will be staying at a hotel near the beach. Keep listening and repeat slowly. Don't worry if you make mistakes. Future tense is all about rhythm and confidence. Here are a few more sentences to help you practice longer. I will help you if you need support. She will prepare the report tonight. They will bring snacks for the event. I am going to start reading a new book soon. He is going to learn driving this year. We are having a team meeting tomorrow morning. She is taking a short break next week. They are going to renew their passport soon. I will be thinking about your suggestion. We will be waiting for your response. You have now practiced many types of future tense sentences. The more you repeat them, the more natural they will sound when you speak to real people. Let's finish with a few gentle lines to close the lesson. Thank you for practicing with English Teaching Friends. Keep learning a little every day. Your English will grow, your confidence will rise, and your speaking will become more natural. I hope to see you again in the next practice session.